So, are we gonna start that?
Huwag mo sigawan!
Hey guys, can we stop for a little while and gather in this side? Guys? Stop na muna. Stop na muna. Please guys. Kasi may mga papremyo dito eh. You have to come closer. Guys, please. Stop na muna yung game. 10-15 minutes lang. Please. Come over this side. Come over this side, please.
Mabilis lang, promise. Jolly afternoon! Okay. Bibilisan natin kasi alam kong yung games ninyo ay talagang tapos, ano ngayon? Tapos sa puso. Okay. Salamat sa Diyos at nakarating kami sa grupo ng SBGC. It's by chance that I was able to talk to May through one of the field in Young and Eglinton. So, Brampton, yung area ninyo, napasa kayo sa akin. So, our meeting here today is really by, I would say, by chance. Pero, tingin ko, masaya kami na nakarating ng Jollibee dito ngayong hapon. The branch that's in sponsor for this afternoon is Jollibee Grammy City Center. Who have been there? Okay. Dapat naman lahat kayo nakarating na doon kasi minsan, di ba? Pero ngayon, dadalasan natin ang pagpunta nyo kasi meron po kaming dalang discount coupon that will nadadalhin ninyo sa Grammy City Center to get a 10% discount for 1 year. So, from today hanggang 1 year, pwede ninyong picturean at sasabihin ninyo na member kayo ng SBGC. Okay? Wait.
Chicken joy.
Mali. Hindi. Not entirely correct. It can be correct, but the signature dish of Jollibee.
Jolly Crispy Chicken.
Okay. Okay. Three winners. What do we call our mascot? What do we call? Happy Bee! One, two. And everyone else will get stickers. Mamaya mamimigay po ng sticker. Okay. Bago tayo umakyat, magpipicture lang po kami with sila Sir Rondo, sila Ma'am Alice, and Marisa. And Marisa and Agnes, and Sir James. Picture lang, picture. Pwede naman, paano ba?
Pwede ba tayo magpa-picture kay Jollibee? Oh, come on, guys, come on, guys, come on. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Ano lang to? Very, halik kayo. Picture tayo. Meron tayong resibo. O, ibigay natin ang code dito. Anak, sit down, sit down. Ang wala sa picture, walang discount. Ang walang picture, walang discount. Come on, hurry up. Ang nasa picture, walang discount. O, yan, Jollibee, ilagay natin yan. Usod-usod ng konti. Sit down, anak, sit down, sit down, sit down. O, di ba? Ayan, okay. Teka muna, din. Ako din, ha? Hey! Hey, guys! Come on! Manuel! Come on! Emmanuel! Grabe, hirap kausap. Jollibee! Okay, guys, sasabihin natin. Guys, sasabihin natin. Jollibee!
Okay, so kung sino po yung gusto mo makihat sa taas, go up and then get your phone ready. Have your, scanning yung code. Mark code.
Lawa mo may sapot. Hindi. Eto. Tabi niya yun nandun. Ay, may sapot pa tayo. May sapot pa tayo.